Let me show you how to remove a payment method from your NordVPN account. Whether you're updating your billing details or removing an old card, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, go to the NordVPN website. Once you're there, click the Login button in the top right corner and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before continuing. After logging in, you'll arrive at your account overview. This is your main dashboard where all your subscription and billing information is managed. From here, find the billing section on the left-hand side and click on it. Then select Subscriptions. This page shows your current plan, renewal details, and any payment methods saved to your account. Next, look for the section labeled Payment Method and open it. You'll see a list of all payment options linked to your account. Choose the payment method you want to remove, sus. If you have more than one saved, double-check that you've selected the correct one. Click the Remove option and confirm when prompted. Just keep in mind that if you remove a payment method, you'll need to add a new one before your next renewal to avoid any service interruptions. You can add a new method right away or come back to it later. And that's it. You've successfully removed a payment method from your NordVPN account.